My name's Andy Karuza. I'm the head of marketing over at NachoNacho, and we're a B2B SaaS and service marketplace. My first initial impressions of Tom was that he was an excellent professional, great guy to work with too. And for me, that's a big deal when you pick people that you want to work with. If you have a good team, anything can happen. But the quality of Tom's work is what really blew me away. His ability to kind of think through not only just how things look, but how they work in the real world. So UX is a big component of that. And I'd have to say I've learned a lot from working with Tom, actually. He's beyond his years in terms of his capabilities and experience and knowledge. I feel like there's people that can design their entire lifetime and still not be able to do as good of work as Tom does. But I would have to say that the transactions, the overall site engagement, the overall product engagement, everything is just skyrocketing. When it comes to building a great product, I think we won't be where we're at without Tom. Tom's work has been instrumental to our success, and going forward, I think what he's done is really built the foundational blocks for success. And I've worked with a lot of designers over the years on various different types of projects as well. I've done web apps, mobile apps, I've done websites, of course. But Tom's been, probably hands down the best designer I've ever worked with. And that's not just, like I mentioned, from the skills of being able to design something that looks beautiful. It also works. He knows how to design products that actually work. He anticipates the user behavior, how people will use the product, what the customers really want, and he designs the features and the product accordingly based on that. It's like working with somebody that reads your mind. You tell him what you're trying to accomplish, and Tom will get it done, and he'll come back with something even better than you could even imagine in your wildest dreams.